Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are excited to show you this brand new Civic Type R. This is the only one in New Zealand right now. It's a demo car. So I'll do a quick walk around review for you. Looking at this car, the whole design is based on the current generation Honda Civic, but with some different, more sportier outside changes and interior changes as well. So look at the front fascia first. Wow, this generation of Honda Civic Type R looks much cleaner than the last generation, compared to the last generation where a lot of the bits and pieces are actually only decorative. So we can see this large front vent here takes air into the radiators. We have the front sensors, nice front light. You can see that the front is widened by this bit here, so to house the larger wheels at the front. On the side here, we have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires with nice large Brembo brakes. So these vents are functional to guide air out from the rear arches, and also because the front fender is widened, so this is a part of that widened look. And on the side here we have a nice side skirt with a little fin at the back. Looks really good. So that's the rear tires. I like the rear end of this car. It looks really clean and really nice, but at the same time really sporty. I believe these vents are not functional. They're only decorative, but still looks pretty good. The signature 3 tailpipe exhaust of the Civic Type R. We have a gloss black diffuser at the back. But this diffuser here, I think is partially functional only, but still looks pretty good. I like the rear spoiler on this. It's gloss black. I believe it's the first time they use metal stands like this on a Type R. Nice Type R logo right here, and the red Honda badge. The blacked out mirrors. So overall, this is a really nice looking sports car. We have the vent here on the front engine hood to bring hot air out from the engine bay. In this white, champion white color, the new Type R just looks amazing. So you can see the whole underside of the Type R is actually quite flat, which is very good for aerodynamics. The front suspension rear suspension of the Civic Type R. Let's open the boot of the Civic Type R. Yeah, it's a large boot space. Got this nice cover here. So to cover your things up, people can't see them. This is a very smart design actually. And you can also fold the back seat down as well for more luggage space. So let's open the hood and look at the engine bay of the Type R. So the engine bay of the Type R looks pretty amazing. Got this red cover right here and the Type R logo over here. So this is a turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 315 horsepower and around, I believe, 420 newton meters of torque. So it's a fairly decent engine, produce very good power as well. Hopefully you will get to drive this when the test drive car comes to New Zealand. The air intake, airbox, battery. It's quite a spacious engine bay as well. So everything's easy to access and work on, which is really good. You can see this is the hood vent inside the engine bay for Type R to guide the hot air out. The radiators in the front. You can see it from here as well. So let's get inside of the Type R. Well, the interior of the Type R looks very nice with the red out Honda badge right in front of you. Looks great. We've got controls on the right and left hand side and a full digital dial. Infotainment system. I love these new vents design in the Civic. We have the Type R badge right there. Climate controls, your charging points, and your wireless charging right here. This is the spirit of the Type R, the manual gearbox. Wow, the throw is pretty short, very accurate. Feels really good actually. You can hear the clicking of the manual when I'm changing. The weight of the clutch actually is quite nicely weighted. We've got the R button right here, drive modes, brake hold, parking brake, 2 cup holders right here, deep storage. Love these red accents and Alcantara. The steering wheel is also in Alcantara, which feels really, really nice. And the size of it, it's pretty good too. Not too large, not too small. These red seats, amazing. With the Type R logo on the headrest. The red seatbelt is a nice touch. All these are Alcantara soft touch materials with red stitching. Got the red carpets as well. A nice Type R logo on the carpet as well. Very nice touch, Honda. Great cabin. So let's have a closer look at the seat. These nice bucket seats, all in red, and actually a very soft, very soft actually. Feels really comfortable. Nice bolstering on the side as well. You've got this opening here. I believe it's not open though, so it's not for 3-point harness. Everything is adjusted manually. So you have up and down, incline, and front and back. But the whole thing looks really, really good. So the back seat of the Type R is a nice space to be in as well. All this is suede material with nice red seat belts. Love the rear end of these bucket seats with the Type R logo at the back. Wow, looks amazing. It has the red carpets as well. On the door, got storage right there. These are suede Alcantara material with red stitching. It's very spacious at the back too. Similar size as a normal Civic. So, you know, you can use this as a family car if you want. You've got ISO points, ISO fixes for your child seats, cup holders in the middle. So yeah, it's a very, very practical car. So the Civic Type R in New Zealand, I think the base price is just a tad below 70,000. So including the clean car tax and on-road costs, it all comes down to about $72,000. And right now, from the 1st of November to the 8th of November, they are opening up places for people to put down deposits and interest to buy this car. And then I believe later on they will do a lottery, because I think the demand for this car will be very high. So they will do a lottery and to see who's able to purchase the first batch of the Honda Civic Type R. And I think the first batch coming to New Zealand, there's only about 120 or so cars coming to New Zealand. So not many actually. So who's gonna get these cars would be quite lucky. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. We'll be able to test drive this car and bring you a full review. Thanks for watching. Bye.